Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another method of using alter command. Okay, so for that, I have already created one table, as we have already discussed many times how to create the table through the SQLRPGLE program. So for now, I'm just using the table that which is already created, and for now, like we will just focus on the alter command instead of discussing again about this table creation. We will just use the alter command. So this time why we are using this alter command, suppose there is a requirement. As of now you can see I have in my table I have two columns, employee ID and employee name. Due to any reason I don't want this column anymore. Okay, I just want to delete this column from my table without impacting my other data. Okay, so this is the important thing. Otherwise, like, you can delete your table and you can recreate, but this is the most wrong approach. Why? Because if you are removing the table just in order to add something or just to modify something, then you are losing the entire data, and which is not correct, right? We are in not even any condition we are supposed to delete the data from a table. Okay, so now how we can do this thing, like I just want to delete this column with this column data, not without impacting this other columns or other data. So for that reason, we will use alter command. In our previous session, we discussed how to add a new column to the existing table. But this time we are trying to implement the thing through which we will delete the existing column from a table. So let's see how to do this. So for that, I have created one program, alter2. I will walk you through this code and then we'll discuss how we are doing this. Okay, so first of all, what we are doing, we are declaring one constant which is SQL state underscore valid of 5 times zeros. Then we are setting the commitment control option as a star none. So SQL state underscore valid constant we will use to verify the query whether it is updated successfully or not, means executed successfully or not. Okay, after that we are just checking, we are just setting the commit equals to star none, and then we are using the alter command. So look at the syntax of this command. You just need to write execSQL alter table. This is a keyword, table name, which is employee. In my case, you can put your table name here, space drop column. Column is again a keyword, and this is the column name which I want to remove from the table, which is emp name. So what this command will do, it will alter the table employee, and from there it will delete, it will drop the column employee name. And this was the requirement, right? Once this query is executed, we will check and verify the query. If SQL state equals to SQL state underscore valid, then we are printing the message table altered successfully. Else we are printing the SQL state and populating the message query ended with an error, and then end if and star INLR equals to star on. Okay, so let's quickly compile this program and see how it is working. So I compile and call. After calling this program, you can see it is asking for this reply: change of file employee may cause data to be lost. So this is a warning message that the query that we are executing in this program may lose the data. So what should I reply, C or I? So for, if you are not aware like what is the meaning of C, what is the meaning of I, then you can simply place your cursor on this message, then press F1. It will show you the option. You can see here C means the file will not be changed. Most of the people got confused that C means change. No, C means cancel. Okay, C means cancel. If you are replying with C, then it means it will not implement your query and it will keep the data as it is. But if you are replying with I, it means that file will be changed, will be changed and data may be lost. In that case, like whatever the query we are executing, accordingly data will get lost and the query get processed successfully. Okay, so firstly I will show you by taking option C. So let me take the C, which is for cancel, for not implementing the query. So you can see it returns the SQL state because we put that in condition that if query is not executed successfully, print the SQL state. So this is the SQL state 57014, and also populate the message query ended with an error because we selected C. Okay, if you would like to check this SQL state on internet, you can just go and put this thing, SQL, what is the meaning of SQL state, this, so it will let you know. Okay, fine. Now check the query table. Does it change anything? No, it doesn't change anything. Why? Because we replied with C, which means cancel, not the change. It means cancel. Now call this program again, and here I will take option I this time. So it means it will ignore the warning and alter the table. So you can see the messages or table altered successfully. Let's verify the same over the query. You can see now the data is lost for employee name only. Employee ID is as it is, but employee name column is removed. Okay, so this is the advantage of alter command. So whenever you want to remove any particular column from a table without impacting your other data, then in that case you can use alter command. So syntax is quite simple. You just need to write alter table, table name, drop column, column name. So instead of table name, you can write your actual table name, which is employee, and in column name you can put your column which you want to delete. There is no need to provide any data type or anything, just need to pass the column name. Okay, so in this entire session we just discussed how to use alter command in order to remove the column from the existing table without affecting any other data. Okay, just one thing I want to mention here, like these are the very sensitive commands. If you are trying it somewhere, just make sure that you are doing only on the test programs, otherwise it will change your data, it will affect your tables, right? So just make sure that you are not affecting someone's data. Just use your own test program and just practice there, otherwise you will you can remove the important data of your projects or maybe of your systems. Okay, so just make sure that do not use these command. These are very sensitive command on actual data or on important files. Okay, you can use any test environment for practice purpose, and once you are aware of this, then you can use as per the requirement. So yeah, that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.